Okay, so me, Cooper, we're done, right? We're spent, we're tired. We just took the garbage down the driveway, got rid of it all. Everything's out of the oven. I have to taste everything just because I made it, but to be honest, I'm like so full. Okay, so my mac and cheese, what I did was I did elbow macaronis. I did some Velveeta, the little block, but I put mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, butter, little heavy cream, and black pepper. And then on top, I put panko breadcrumbs, the good butter, what is it? Something gold. Honestly, I'm so tired, I can't even think. And panko. So yeah, it's not too hot. So there's the mac and cheese. I know it looks so freaking good, right? And gotta dig into it. Okay, and then for my meatloaf, what I did was I sauteed onion, garlic, carrot, celery, a little olive oil. And then I mixed in a pound of ground chicken, pound of ground turkey, 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley. And what I used to always do with my kids to sneak in more veggies was I take a zucchini and I grate it in. A little bit of breadcrumb, and that's about it. I mean, that looks really good. I don't even have a pot holder right here, but I'm gonna show you. I had to cut it open because I wanted to make sure it was cooked in the middle. But it's like the healthiest meatloaf, tastiest that you'll ever have. Then my veggies, the broccoli, cauliflower, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, like perfect, totally perfect. Roasted it all, raw, just on a sheet pan. So good. Anyway, I'm gonna make a little plate, taste everything, just because, I mean, I really have to, right? I've been cooking all day. I've been trying to be really good, because I'm going to see my girl, Crystal, in Florida in a couple days. So I'm like, oh shoot, right? Wanna look my best, feel my best. And here I go, cooking all this yummy food. Yeah, this is like the best meatloaf. You could sneak so many veggies in this. You could put in like chopped spinach and just grate it all up so the kids don't even know. I just want to taste the mac and cheese and taste the meatloaf. I know Cooper's sitting here. Look at him. Coop, you can't have this, Bubba. Mom. Look, I don't really care for a lot of cheese. This mac and cheese is the best. Really is. You need to put the mozzarella, you need good sharp cheddar, and you need the little block of Velveeta. It just makes it creamier with some heavy cream or milk. Really good. Your kids will never know they're eating all these veggies. And then if you want to make like homemade gravy or something for the meatloaf, even better. I never used to add the chicken, the ground chicken. I used to just do the ground turkey, but the ground chicken just takes it to a different level. Really makes it more tasty. I do put a little salt and pepper in there too. Yeah, try this. Make it. Really good stuff.